Every now and then, the perfect home becomes available, one that's located in the best neighborhood.
One that's incredibly well finished from top to bottom with the level of finish you only see on your Pinterest board.
I'm talking about one that has all of your must-haves, like a resort-style backyard like this.
And even some added bonuses you just won't find anywhere else. So stay tuned, because we got all that and a whole hell of a lot more on today's episode. All right, Adam, today's video is all about young families. And when we're talking to young families and they're after some of the most highly sought after family-friendly neighborhoods in our entire community, what's one that comes to the top of the list time and time again?
Yeah, Scotty, the overwhelming answer to that is Midhurst, right? It's tried, tested, and true. It's been around for about 40 years here. And again, it's been one of the most highly desirable areas in all of Simcoe County for young families. It's super easy to see why, right? Again, family friendly, well, that starts with the school district specifically. We're in one of the best in all of Simcoe County. You have Forest Hill Elementary School, which is so highly desirable. And then as a high school, this feeds into Eastview, which is the highest ranked high school in all of Barrie. People move to this neighborhood from all over specifically for the school district. So again, from that standpoint, you are covered. Now let's talk about what else brings people to this neighborhood. It's the access to your daily amenities, right? Less than a 5-minute drive to the top of Bayfield Street here and the north end of Barrie, where you're gonna find absolutely everything you need for daily conveniences. You have shopping, restaurants, grocery, gas station, LCBO, doesn't get much better. You're also a quick shot to the highway from here. So if you're still commuting down to the city or either direction, you can be on the highway very quickly from here as well. And the big draw to this area has to be the outdoor recreation as well, right? It's a 4-season paradise. You have absolutely everything around you. Golf courses, including Vesper Hills and the Barrie Country Club. You have Snow Valley Ski Resort, and you are surrounded by Simcoe County Forest.
Now, we have covered a lot of ground, and we've yet to even hit the community of Midhurst on its own, and it is just so much to love here. All the green space, all of the parks, the walking, hiking, and biking trails that weave through this community are second to none. And of course, with Midhurst, we are talking mature lot sizes, mature trees, all the things that we know and love about this beautiful area. Now, let's dial in to this incredible lot that we're standing on today. We're talking over 100 feet of width here, just shy of a ½ acre in this instance. Now, a lot of people love the new construction aspect because things are turnkey and move-in ready. But when we're talking new construction, it often lacks character and charm, lot size. Maybe the location is not quite as good as we want. Well, what's better than new construction is a house and a neighborhood that has stood the test of time, yet has every aspect of new construction. All of the updates, all of the finishes, all of the bells and whistles. And then this home, which is a complete showstopper, from the curb appeal to the incredible interior, the unforgettable dream backyard, and even that garage you've always wanted. This one has it all. We can't wait to show you. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
Now, before we get inside and show you this beautiful home, we have to stop and check out this incredible garage. This is one of those bonus features that you're just not gonna find in every property. There's been an addition put on this garage here, so we have over 43 feet of depth, easily parking 4 vehicles. We have 14-foot vaulted ceilings here, so for you car enthusiasts, yes, you can absolutely put in your car lifts. It's all drywalled and heated. We have the epoxy floor and some custom built-in storage here. You're gonna absolutely love this space. Now, let's get inside and take a look at the rest of this beautiful home.
Now, I know Adam said we're heading inside, but I'm just not ready to leave this curb appeal yet. We have to take a moment to appreciate the incredible workmanship and the level of finish on the exterior of this home. We've got all your big ticket items, from the windows, the roof, the soffit, fascia, and eaves that have all been done in the beautiful black accent that really elevate the curb appeal on this home. And then, of course, the beautiful covered front porch. We've got the tongue and groove up above, the incredibly modern concrete walkway and porch right into the newly finished driveway. They have not missed a single trick here. We've got a full irrigation system. We've even got the permanent Celabrite Christmas lights up top, which means no more getting on the ladder for you, Griswold. Now we can head inside and take a look.
Welcome inside 5 Lilac Lane. Now, this entire home has undergone a stunning transformation, and we have over 3,000 square feet of beautifully finished living space where one room is honestly better than the next. But my favorite, I'm standing in it right now, it has to be this updated kitchen. You have these beautiful quartz countertops which run seamlessly up into the backsplash, a ton of custom cabinetry and storage here. You have stainless steel appliances with a gas range and a beverage center, and this oversized island that I'm setting at right now, which is perfect not only for entertaining friends and family, but for those daily needs of eating breakfast as well. Truly, this is one of your favorite spaces.
Now, there are cosmetic renovations, and then there are spaces that have been completely reimagined, and that is exactly what we're dealing with here. This two-story has been completely opened up, removing as many walls as possible on the main floor, creating an incredible open feel that you rarely find in homes of this vintage. And that allows the kitchen to flow beautifully into your breakfast nook that all overlooks this incredible backyard that you have to wait and see to the end. Now, of course, it flows right out onto the barbecue deck with a covered porch, so again, all year round, you're able to man that grill. And then we flow into this incredible living room where the design touches don't stop. The black interior windows, you've got the beautiful shiplap feature wall, the gas fireplace, and a ton of built-in cabinetry through your living room. But let's not forget about those epic dinner parties, because you've got an oversized formal dining space at the front of this home that you're gonna fall in love with. And then this main floor is rounded out with a beautiful two-piece bathroom. And then of course, the all-important mudroom with a ton of built-in cabinets as well, making looking after those kids an absolute dream.
As Scott mentioned downstairs, there's levels to updating and improving homes, and this one has certainly missed no tricks and spared no expenses. That includes the incredible 3-story white oak floating staircase that goes from this upper level all the way down into the basement. Again, something of this magnitude is not normally done in the scope of a renovation. Now, at the top of that beautiful staircase, you have 4 terrific sized bedrooms, all with custom millwork and feature walls, and 2 fully updated baths. One is the hallway bath, which services the 3 bedrooms. It's absolutely stunning. And then stepping into the primary retreat here, you have this oversized bedroom, which has custom built-ins for your closet and flows beautifully into an absolutely stunning ensuite. I'm talking about heated tile floors, glass shower surround, double custom vanity. It truly does not get much better. You are gonna love these spaces.
Now, we said this home was finished from top to bottom, so let's dive into the incredible lower level space that comes along with this one. Now, on one side, we've got a beautiful rec room space that's ideal for the kids and all the toys that come along with them to be isolated into one area. And then of course, we've got the theater room. We're talking surround sound, pot lights. You've got a beautiful shiplap feature wall in here as well. Really gonna elevate those movie nights with the kids. And then we've got the home office. It's not all about play down here. A great quiet workspace that you can be shut off from all the noise of the household. And then of course, we've got the home gym. We're talking padded floors. This one even comes with his own sauna. How good is that? And then no lower levels complete without an additional 3-piece bathroom. Once again, heated floors, incredible level of finish. You're gonna love it.
Now, we told you this beautiful home was the complete package, and that wouldn't be the case if we didn't have this stunning backyard to go along with it. Take a look around you here. The entertainment value is absolutely spectacular, and everything, and I mean everything, has been done so that you don't have to. You have this heated in-ground saltwater pool. It's all surrounded by this beautiful Unistone that was recently updated. You got the slide for the kiddos, and then you have this custom-built pool house pavilion here, super modern and sleek, the perfect spot to kick back on the couch and unwind if you want to get out of that sun for a little bit. And we have the hot tub for you here as well, so it's completely rounded out.
Now, often when homes have a pool and stonework setup like you just saw, that takes up the entirety of the backyard. But in fact, that is just the tip of the iceberg with this one. We still have a ton of green and grass space back here for the kids and four-legged friends to run and play safely. But we also pack a ton of extra value back here, from the fire pit to not one, but 2 customized storage sheds that match the house perfectly. And then we're on to this stunning stonework that frames the house in its entirety, giving you the ideal dining space, not to mention a covered back porch. Of course, we've got your own access into that incredible garage from the backyard as well, which makes maintaining all of this an absolute breeze. And then we're on to the interior fence as well as the exterior fence that have just recently been replaced, which means there is nothing left to do here than hit that lounge chair and watch your kids have the best summer of their life. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Midhurst. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.